Hey everybody, Josh Sigurdson, World Alternative Media here, and well, most of us were horrified seeing Bitcoin not only break its support level, but lose billions in a matter of minutes. As I report, Bitcoin is about 11% down over the past 24 hours. It's around 6,700 US dollars. This could be overall good news, which I'll go into in a moment. The whole crypto market is taking a hit, and of course altcoins are going to dip further and rise faster. There's more risk involved, but also more potential for a lucrative investment. EOS is down, of course, following its release, but that was sure to happen as we predicted on this channel before. The future of EOS, however, looks bright. Everything is basically in the red today except Tether, but Tether, in my opinion, is a scam and will likely cause a huge problem for the community in the future. But we're going to stick to talking about Bitcoin today. The past support was making higher lows, and we saw a double flat top, which often results in a bullish sentiment. However, that was broken, and now we're seeing a pretty crazy death spiral. Some are saying we could fall as low as Tone Vaye's prediction of 49.75. I have doubts about that. Some are calling for around 5,800. I also have doubts about that. Either way, this could shake the last of the lightweights out of the market. People like Jeff Berwick have made the point that once people are killing themselves, it's time to buy in. Make of that what you will, but there's some truth to it considering Bitcoin is still in its infancy and has enormous future potential, all while dipping to lows we haven't seen in quite some time. That could be considered a buying opportunity to some. Others may view that as a good reason to stick to gold and silver. Personally, I'd diversify with both. But moreover, there's an ETF decision coming up at the SEC, which could result in a massive bull run, something many are looking forward to. I'm not a big fan of it personally, but we could all use a bull run at this point. We've seen so much market manipulation keeping the market subdued, and it's driving most of us crazy. While the lack of profits is frustrating, it has also allowed us to focus on why Bitcoin and other decentralized cryptocurrencies are so important to destroying the central banking system and rendering government irrelevant. So why the massive dip? It's a cross between market manipulation and the usual FUD caused by the media and the government, as many former ICOs are being ridiculed by the state and possibly labeled securities. All the while, many exchanges like Coinbase and Kraken are being investigated for price fixing. The price manipulation probe by the CFTC has caused massive sell-offs. Another reason to avoid online centralized exchanges, folks. This is a no-brainer. At the same time, the stupid socialist government of Canada is pushing forward new regulations focused on money laundering and terrorist financing, which is incredibly stupid. It's easier to money launder with fiat cash than crypto. Also, 99.99% of all money ever transferred to terrorists has been fiat. Why would people send something traceable on the blockchain to terrorists? We've seen a few cases of people using Bitcoin and immediately getting caught. It's just dumb. On top of that, most terrorist financing comes from government, so there's that. The Canadian law will force exchanges within Canada to report all money over 10,000 Canadian dollars or 7,700 US dollars. Wow. More reasons to avoid online centralized exchanges. The attempts to suppress cryptocurrency by the governments and banks is futile. It's unenforceable for the most part. Rule yourself. This is a monetary revolution without a shot fired. Let's cross our fingers and hodl for the next major bull run. It's coming. We just have to be patient. What more can we want? We saw a more than 20x return in 2017. Relax, everyone. Now, full disclosure, this video is not meant as investment advice, but rather our opinion. Make of it what you will, but never forget to do your own due diligence. Stay tuned as we continue to follow the crypto markets. This is Josh Sigurdson signing out from World Alternative Media. Find the truth, be the change. Like what you see here, WAM? Don't forget to check the links below. GoFundMe, Patreon. We can't do it without you. Any donation is very much appreciated, especially as we are so overwhelmingly demonetized and censored by YouTube as the ADL comes in and flags all of our content as hate speech. Also, check our Bitcoin address in the description as well as on the screen for you to scan if you please. And also find us at steemit.com at Josh Sigurdson, the future of social media, where you get paid in the upvote of your post in Steem, the cryptocurrency. And also find us at the Red Pill Expo, which we have a reference link for below in the description and the comments as well. Hosted by G. Edward Griffin, amazing speakers coming out to speak this year. Don't miss it. It's in Spokane, Washington, June 21st to 23rd. We hope to see you there. But until next time, this is Josh Sigurdson signing out from World Alternative Media. Find the truth, be the change.
Wow.